Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly bleach knots. You'll need quick blue bleaching powder, ISO Plus shampoo, 30 oh my god. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Shimmer Light shampoo, a butter knife, a mixing bowl, and you'll also need aluminum foil. So what you see me doing here is just pouring the powder in the bowl. You're gonna pour as much as you need depending on how wide your closure or your frontal is. So now that you have your developer and your powder in one bowl, we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. You want to put the right amount of everything. As you can see, I went back and put more developer because it was too thick. I needed it to be even basically. So now I'm just making sure that it is thick enough that it's not falling off the knife easily so that I can go ahead and put it on my closure. An easy way to apply this to your closure is to use a butter knife. Pretend like you're putting jelly on bread and just spread it gently. Don't press on your lace. You don't want it to seam through the lace. You want it to be on top of it. So just spread it calmly and evenly, not to touch any hair. You are more than welcome to wear gloves when you're doing this process. If the bleach touches your hand or any part of your body, it will burn you. The reason why I didn't use gloves is because I didn't feel like it. And if you're a clumsy person, you might want to use gloves. Yay, so now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and cover up our closure with the aluminum foil so that it can bake and the knots can become toned and brassy. Set your timer for about 20 to 25 minutes, and when your timer goes off, you're gonna go ahead and wash out all the bleach. The reason for doing this is because we do not want those black spots. We want the lace to look as natural and as close to our skin as possible. I allowed the closure to bake for about 20 minutes. When your lace has that brassy orange tone, that means you did it correctly. Now I'm washing all of that bleach out with my ISO Plus neutralizer. Please make sure you're washing very thoroughly, because if there's any residue left over from the bleach, your knots will continue processing and your hair will eventually fall out and have bald spots. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the ISO Plus shampoo is solely to help the knots to stop processing. I don't know. This hair is very, very affordable. I got it for like $10 on Amazon. I will leave the link below. This is 8 inches of Bodywave hair. I might use it to make a shortcut wig or something. For it to melt with your skin tone. But I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.